that it's a little bit weird for the color combination, but yeah, it works. It works, especially the green one. So let me check the parts if they're okay. And yeah, there's something that has been detached already, but still, yeah, I think all of the parts here are okay. Whoa! And wow! Instruction manual is very small, man. It's very small, but yeah, I can still read it. No, I'm not reading the manual. I'm just following the figures and following the diagram right here. But yeah, it's very small. Being a bootleg, the back part of the parts, it's, yeah, you can really see it's bootleg. And there's some mold marks also at the front part, but still, it works. Your Roanoke custom. So yeah, let's see. I don't know what is the brand of this one, but it has this kind of X right here. Yeah. So that's it. That's our first one.